Good collaborator as well. This next song we did is mine, but he and I got together and put together the electronic tracks so that I could perform it in San Francisco without a band.
Technology.
I woke up this morning with my head on fire and I went to the kitchen for some tomato juice. But there was nothing in the refrigerator but condiments. So I put some vodka in the ketchup, shook it up, took a drink, spit it at the cat. The cat is mad, or maybe I am. I can never be sure. The cat and I are allowed to like it. I shut the refrigerator door and I see a note. It says, pick up bread and milk. And I head for the front door and I realize that you wrote it. I stop myself and I said, it's cold outside and I don't have a coat. I daydream about the frozen tundra. It occurs to me that in Alaska the nearest store is 50 miles away and I don't have a car. I'm cold, cold, cold as ice. But you're the refrigerator I want to be inside of. I know cold, cold can be nice. When I'm in the snowy blanket of your love, of your love. I go back upstairs to waste my time dreaming about what it was like when I knew the person in bed with me. My thoughts are lit by cold street light. I stop them all eventually. The room is warm and snowy white. Cold outside and answers me. Answer me. Oh my love, just what's in. I'm cold, cold, cold as ice. But you're the refrigerator I want to be inside of. I know cold, cold can be nice. When I'm in the snowy blanket of your love, of your love, of your love. When your life looks like a wasteland, and the man will be here tomorrow, and you're losing your sense of taste, and everything you need you borrow, you remind yourself that there's nothing in the refrigerator but condiments, and you have ketchup and pickle relish to dine on for your breakfast.